Hi, welcome to the third part of the parametric crankshaft in Autocad. So, you might already know in Autocad you can do parametric and associative surface modeling. And I want to use surfaces, and I have to create some more parameters in order to use them properly. And therefore I want to use the parameter manager. So let's go here. I want to create a new filter. I will call this one user parameter. Like that. Go to all and now select those which you want to filter. Those, and drag them to that filter. Just left click and drag it like here over there. Okay, so let's go here and drag them into that filter, which means I can now filter those parameters right here. Okay, I think I will need 4 new parameters, so let's create a new one and call this one the rod bearing journal offset. And this will be, of course, the thickness of the counterweight. So this one will be the counterweight thickness. I need another offset, and this will be the offset of the second counterweight. So let's call it second counterweight offset. And this will be it's not allowed to start with a number, I know. Okay, so let's write it like this: second counterweight offset, and this will be the counterweight thickness plus the length of the rod bearing journal. So it's counterweight thickness plus the rod bearing journal length, like that. And I will need also an offset for the main bearing journal. So let's call this one, of course, main bearing journal offset. And this will be 2 times the counterweight thickness plus the length of the rod bearing journal. So it's RBJ underscore length. And I might need another offset for a complete part, which means 2 counterweights plus 1 rod bearing journal and 1 main bearing journal. And I will call this part length or part offset. So let's go for a part offset, and this will be 2 times the counterweight thickness plus the MBJ length plus the RBJ length. That's of course like that. Okay, great. And now I can create my surfaces. And I will show you those surfaces in the next part of this series. So, I hope this was already helpful. Hope you liked it. If you did like it, please give it a like or leave a comment. If you want to see more, please give it a like or leave a comment. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. That would really help. You could follow me also on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, GrabCAD, and of course, especially on LinkedIn Learning. Thanks for watching. See you to the next one. Bye bye.